Right, hi everyone, this is the first episode I guess of Dustins Shed. We're just going to have a look around and see what we got here. I'm stuck in lockdown through to this COVID-19 business, so I thought, well, I'm out here working on my shed, some of you guys are probably bored, so I'll put up some videos and show you what we're doing. So this is one of the projects which won't get started for a little while yet. That's a 1960 Beetle. That one has got a noisy gearbox. It's noisy in first. It's got non-synchro first with straight cut gear, so it's normally noisy anyway. But this one sounds like it's missing some teeth, so we're going to pull that out and have a look. We have got another motor, later model motor to go in it there, but that needs some work, so it might just have to wait for a later date. This is a little Fiat 500 or Bambina, 1966. That actually belongs to my stepson, so we won't be doing much with that, but it is going to get a full restoration over the next little while. And we've got 74 FJ40 Cruiser. So this one at the moment needs heaps of work, but realistically it's only going to get a clutch slave cylinder so we can get it mobile again, because at the moment all the clutch fluid's coming out on the ground and it's a bit not really that good to drive. It's the 3.9 litre petrol gas guzzling thing, not very fast but super cool. And we've got a 76 KE35 Corolla Coupe, which unfortunately, because it's parked kind of in the corner, you can't really see very well. But that's it anyway. That's currently got a 2TG with twin side drafts and a 5-speed in it. They're coming out and getting replaced with this black top 20 valve that someone has kindly changed the colour of the tappet cover, but it is a black top. With the original throttle bodies with some nice trumpets. Either Link or Haltech engine management, not quite 100% sure on that one yet, and a 6-speed Altezza gearbox, so that should make it quite a fun little car. And then back over here we've just got that A3 up on the hoist at the moment. That's just getting some coolant items fixed. We'll get rid of that. A little KP60 Starlet. Now this is just the 2K with the 4-speed. Won't be much happening to this. I have got a 5-speed for it, but it's not here, and since we're in lockdown can't get it, but it will be going in at some point, and probably a few other bits and pieces too, but at the moment it's just a nice little Starlet. Good bit of fun. Then we've got this beast of a thing. This is 64 Pontiac Bonneville Sport Coupe, 389 cubic inch engine, tri-power, 4-speed hydromatic trans. Tri-power is not factory, but it could be a dealer option, we're not really sure. That's going to get a few bits and pieces. It needs an engine mount, needs some coolant, needs a service, probably something else. I think it's got a leaking axle seal as well, so we might have a look at that if we can find some things. This is a 94 Radisich Telstar, which you won't see anywhere in the world other than New Zealand. That's getting a whole lot of stuff done to it. It's getting a polish, because this is the only part of it that's shiny is the side, because they never were very good on paint, unfortunately. It needs a cam belt, water pump, got to have air conditioning fitted to it, some suspension bushes, other bits and pieces, and just a general tidy up to get it back to the condition it should be. This is Floyd, he's very helpful. Then we've got this neat box here with Whipple written on it. Those two boxes are a supercharger kit for a 2019 Dodge Ram, or Ram 1500, not a Dodge Ram anymore, just a Ram 1500. That's going to get that put on it, and it's got a big exhaust and stuff on it already. I think it's a boiler exhaust and bits and pieces, so we'll see how that goes. Not too sure when that'll be, because once again, lockdown, no car, not here, so we can't get it. And then there's this one. This is a 2007, I think, yeah, 2007 Audi S6 with the V10 in it. This has just got a few things wrong with it. It's got a big oil leak out of the front somewhere, and and the passenger's door doesn't open, and the parking sensors for some reason have stopped working, so we're going to have a bit of a nosy at them and see if we can work out what's going on there. Other than that, that's all we got for now, but we'll put up some videos of these things as I do them and keep you posted. Cheers.